FuelShield Lite. Managing fuel for a small fleet can also be a challenge. Manual processes lead to errors, wasted fuel, and increased costs. Without the right tools, staying efficient feels impossible. FuelShield Lite is our low-cost fuel pump control system designed for smaller fleets, with essential fuel management features and a simplified, easy-to-use solution. Full integration with Fuel B4, giving you the ability to track fuel usage, monitor transactions, manage fuel limits with precision, monitor mileage, and access reports anytime. Fuel B4 provides advanced reporting and business intelligence tools to help you make data-driven decisions. Secure fuel authorization with methods like keypad entry, HID cards, and iButton. Reliable data transmission using Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity for real-time updates. Capable of controlling up to 4 pumps simultaneously, streamlining fuel operations. Whether you need a cost-effective solution like FuelShield Lite or a more advanced system, we have the tools to fit your needs. Take control of your fuel management today. FuelShield Lite, powered by Fuel B4. Visit our website or book a free consultation today.